Breastfeeding is a beautiful, natural process, but it's also a skill that evolves over time. In today's video, we'll cover advanced techniques to make your breastfeeding journey smoother and more effective. Whether you're a first-time mom looking for tips or a seasoned parent ready to master new skills, you're in the right place. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more empowering parenting content. Did you know that recognizing your baby's feeding cues can help make breastfeeding more effective and less stressful? Watch for signs like rooting, sucking motions, and early fussiness. Responding early helps create a calm feeding environment. Let me know in the comments if you've noticed any specific cues your baby gives before feeding. A deep latch is crucial for comfort and efficiency. Here's an advanced tip. Try the asymmetrical latch. Position your baby so their chin touches your breast first, then guide them to latch from the bottom upward. This minimizes discomfort and maximizes milk transfer. If you've tried this method, share your experience in the comments below. Switching up your breastfeeding positions can improve milk flow and prevent issues like clogged ducts. Beyond the cradle hold, try these advanced positions. The side-lying position, perfect for night feeds. The laid-back position encourages a natural latch. The koala hold, great for older babies who like to sit up. Experiment with these to see what works best for you. Take a moment to pause this video, try a new position, and let us know how it feels. If you're pumping, here's a power move. Use hands-on pumping. Massage your breasts before and during pumping sessions to increase output. Also, consider power pumping, mimicking cluster feeding by pumping in short bursts over an hour. These techniques help maintain and boost milk supply. Hit that like button if you're finding these tips helpful so far. Many moms face challenges like sore nipples, engorgement, or a distracted baby. Don't be discouraged. Advanced nipple shields and lactation consultant support can make a world of difference. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to learn. Have you overcome a breastfeeding challenge? Share your story to inspire others. Breastfeeding is a journey of discovery and growth for both you and your baby. The advanced techniques we've covered today can transform your experience and build your confidence. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with another mom who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe for more parenting tips and resources. See you in the next video.